A wealthy man was driving his expensive car down a quiet American road. Suddenly, bang! His car stopped. He got out and discovered that one wheel had come loose. He had plenty of money, but he had no idea how to fix it. A farmer passing by stopped and asked, "Sir, what happened?" The rich man explained the problem. The farmer looked at the car and said, "Take one lug nut from each of the other three wheels and use them to secure this wheel. Then drive slowly to a repair shop." The rich man was shocked. "You're a farmer. How did you know that?" The farmer smiled and said, "I may have less money than you, but I have skills you don't." And that is the lesson. Money can buy a car, but it can't buy the ability to solve every problem. You can have a big bank account, a luxury home, and an expensive car.
But without skills, you can still be helpless when life throws you a problem. So stop thinking, "I'm poor, so I can't succeed." Maybe you don't need more money right now. Maybe you need more skills. Learn AI, learn sales, learn communication, learn coding, learn investing. Learn a skill that pays, solves a real problem. Because money can disappear. A job can disappear. But the skills you build inside, build yourself. Because your bank account shows what you yourself stay with you. Don't just chase money you have today,
Yeah.
but your skills determine what you can create tomorrow.